Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we will be taking up your second lesson, that is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, and this is written by Nelson Mandela himself. Okay, to start with, Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1918 in the village of Mavezo in the Eastern Cape. He served as the President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Nelson Mandela is one of the great moral and political leaders of our time, an international hero whose lifelong dedication to the fight against racial oppression in South Africa won him the Nobel Peace Prize and the presidency of his own country. Now, Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1918, as you all know, but he was the first South African president to be elected in a fully representative democratic election. Okay students, as the chapter furthers, it says 10th of May was a day of freedom for South Africa, and there was a huge gathering of international leaders and dignitaries at the swearing ceremony, which was held in Union Building in Pretoria, and the first non-racial government took charge, that is Nelson Mandela's country. The black took charge of their own country, of their own community. Nelson Mandela then gave a speech on the victory of justice, peace and human dignity. Mandela pledged to liberate his own people from poverty, suffering and discrimination. A colorful shows by jets and helicopters depicting the military might and loyalty took place. Two national anthems were sung to signify equality and inclusion. The old Nkosi Sikelel by the whites and the new Die Stem by the black was sung on the same day. The new system was formed that recognized the rights and freedom of all. Remember this. Mandela recalled the contributors and thanked them for their sacrifice. Solution to some great freedom fighters, namely Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Lutuli, Yusuf Dadoo and others, were also given due respect. Mandela in his address said that the country is rich because of its people and not because of the minerals it has. Remember this. Also he says, courage is not the absence of fear but the victory over it is true courage. People should love others, not hate them due to their color or religion, he says it. Love comes naturally and not by force, he feels, which is the natural goodness of every human being. He also said that man should try to create a balance between his duties. 1. Duty towards his family, and 2. Duty towards his country and community. Okay, he says a black person was treated badly and not allowed to perform his duty. Nelson Mandela said that freedom has different aspects, like for a kid it is to run and play, and for an adult it is to fulfill the needs of his own family and his extended family. Real freedom to Nelson Mandela means equal rights for everyone. He joined the African National Congress, that is ANC, and he wanted that people of South Africa must live with dignity and respect. He wanted the oppressor and the oppressed to be liberated. Okay, so he talks something very deep, that is the one who oppresses and the one who is oppressed should be liberated by liberating each other. Okay, then he says patience and perseverance guided by discipline and system yield the desired result. So this was the core and the crux of the lesson. I'll be sharing with you the notes and question answers in Naresa's classes. Till then, take care. Thank you.